Janatul, over to you. We can
Yeah,
start.
thank you. Good morning and good evening, everyone, from wherever you are joining today. Welcome to today's webinar. Let me introduce myself. I'm Janatul Firdaus, working as a business development manager at Stockholm IT Academy. Now, I need to share the slides first. Sorry about that. Let me share the slides with all of you. Yeah, I hope you were able to see it. Jagdish, can you please let me
Yes.
know if it is working?
Yep.
Okay, great. So now let's see what we're going to cover today. At first, we'll start with little background of Stockholm IT Academy, and then we also need to know the man behind it, the founder. And then we're going to talk about our mission, vision, goals, and promise, and also how we are empowering women in tech career. And then our key services, also our courses. And meanwhile, as Jagdish mentioned before, if you have any question, you will have a Q&A session, so you can ask your question. Moving on. So let's start. So before knowing Stockholm IT Academy, we need to know about the person who and why founded the company. The entrepreneur and educator, Mr. Jagdish Verma, is founder of Stockholm IT Academy. He is empathic, strongly supports diversity and inclusion. He understood the skill gap that and the challenges faced by IT professionals in today's world and wanted to help them. This is how he founded Stockholm IT Academy in 2020. And till then, he's supporting the professional by building their skills and also guiding them toward the right career path and the skills needed. As you can see, he has 15 years of experience in consulting and staffing, and he also became the Educator of the Year 2024. So, clap everyone, and this was a very proud moment for us. And he was also nominated an Educator of the Year 2025. Moving on, he hasn't stopped there only. He's also contributing to Swedish job market by providing job search strategy, promoting diversity and inclusion, and he's also helping them with providing right career, network, and plans. So now, now you must be asking what we are in Stockholm IT Academy. Well, we are the people who inspire change through active learning. Not only learning, you will be learning and you will be participating actively. And now let's see why we do it. We do it because we believe that proper coaching will transform you and your future along with your career. And now you must have a question how we are doing it. Moving on. We provide job-oriented programs and trainings, and we observe our learners. Depending on their needs, we provide customized training for them. And now let's see our mission, vision, value, and promise. So as you can see, our mission is to make the tech industry more equal and skilled for everyone. And then we have our vision. We aim for large number. We aim to shape 100K IT professional by bridging the skills gap and providing hands-on learning and mentorship program. And our value is in diversity, fresh thinking, and working together to make the tech industry stronger. And we promise to connect skilled people with real opportunities in tech. And we also provide inclusive space where new ideas and progress can come naturally. And it is not only that, we also empower women because we believe that it is never too late for you to fulfill your dream. We believe in equality, we believe in diversity, and we believe that empowering women can bring much more to this society. And through this, the women can actually get back to their feet with more confidence. All of our courses are highly interactive and will help you get back with full and 100% confidence in the industry. And you need to see our core services, the services that we have. So these are our core services that we have. We have our academy, we have our consulting, we have staffing, and we also have outsourcing. And for our academy, what we do in our academy, we offer easy to follow training courses and different programs to help learn individuals new skills and grow their careers. And we also have consulting. In consulting, we guide individuals with expert advice to solve career and skill related challenges. It is all related to real life challenges, not bunch of theories. So we help you to get back in the job market. And we also help with staffing. What we do in staffing, we find the right job opportunities for you and we try to match your skills with that. And we also have outsourcing. In outsourcing, we provide individuals with work opportunities by connecting them with real projects. And along with all these courses, we provide training and mentoring as well. And with our training and mentoring, more than 60 candidates have secured jobs in different IT companies, which was a very, very good achievement for all of us. And these are the courses which has been offered in the past. And currently we have 6 courses running or, and all of our courses are internationally standardized. And these are the courses which will help you to grow. And we have our expert mentors will guide you towards realistic experience and implementation, not just a bunch of theories. So we also care about what is coming next and what is in the demand in the future. So we also care about that, and caring for that, we also have some courses planned to offer in the future for you. And now, after listening to all of this, I'm pretty much sure that you are curious to join with us. Now, you must be asking how to join with us, right? So this is how you're going to join. This is our website link. You can go through this and you can check all the courses that we are offering right now. Currently, we are offering 6 courses. So you can go and visit and check out the courses. And depending on your need, you can select the courses. Thank you so much. Now, if you have any question, we are going to take it and reply. And also, although we were born in Stockholm, but we are serving internationally, globally, with empathy and compassion. So now I would like to invite Mr. Jagadish to say few important lines for all of you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thanks, Janatul. Hello, everyone. I will take a few minutes to introduce myself and also will give you information about our upcoming batches. But meanwhile, you can use the Q&A section in the bottom of your screen. A lot of people have trouble joining Zoom from the browser. It is showing as the meeting will start soon, but it already started. I think it's a glitch. If you're joining from mobile or if you're joining from a desktop Zoom client, there will be no issues. But anyways, as you are already here, what you can do, you can go to the Q&A section and then start writing your questions. And we will answer all the possible questions as long as the time permits. And just give me 1 second. Yeah. Um, First, let me address the most important thing. I will share my screen and then show you a couple of things. Then we'll come back to my introduction. I hope you can see my screen. Janadul, can you confirm?
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah. Okay. So first of all, our registered name is Stockholm IT Academy AB. AB is Akitebolag in Swedish, which means private limited company, and our headquarters in Stockholm. And we are only in Sweden, registered in Sweden right now. So whatever the operations that we are doing worldwide are from Stockholm based as a headquarters. We have plans to incorporate in India in 2026, but that is in the pipeline. And under this registered name, we operate three brands. One is SITA.dev, another one is Stockholm Design Studio, and another one is Stockholm IT Academy. A lot of people have been applying to SITA.dev courses, but these are only for people who are living in Europe with a valid visa or valid residence permit. So if you are from outside of Sweden, you are not allowed to apply to this because you need a valid residence permit to join these courses. They are very expensive and they are also very long. They are designed for European job market, not for other job markets. And so whatever the courses we offer worldwide, they are through Stockholm IT Academy. You can join these courses, select whatever you prefer. We are upgrading our courses landing page. We'll add four more courses by next week, and you can choose any course and you can join. And Stockholm Design Studio is completely different. It is a design studio where we offer UI, UX, graphic design, and digital marketing solutions for the clients, whoever we need. So if you have any confusion with brand names, I wanted to first give the clarity about all these things. Next, I want to introduce you to three Swedish words. I know this is a tech training introductory session. It's not a language session. We don't teach any language, but you might be hearing from our Stockholm IT Academy Instagram page whenever you get a reply, these typical three words: hey, Shena, and tag. Hey, Shena are typically saying hi, hello. That's it. There is another word, hello, in Swedish, but that is self-explanatory. You can see instead of Y, it is J here. The J sound is also ja in Swedish. So it explains. Hey, Shena, and tag means thanks. So after this webinar, if you like, you can just say tag to us. And whenever we meet next time, you can say either hey or Shena. Okay, with that, I will stop sharing the screen and then I will take a minute to introduce myself. First of all, thanks a lot, Janatul, for that amazing introduction about SITA and about also me. As Janatul mentioned, I have around 15 years of experience in IT. I come from India. My hometown is near to the city Hyderabad. The name is Suryapet, and my mother tongue is Telugu. A lot of people who are joining from Instagram already know me through Monica's and my Instagram and Facebook videos and other posts. So, coming back to the professional, I came to Sweden first in 2012 to work as a middleware consultant for Apotheket, and then I've been coming and going as a consultant. I was working in a Bangalore-based consulting company, but I permanently moved in 2019. After I moved in 2020, I started Stockholm IT Academy, but have been training and mentoring since 15 years from the beginning of my career because I come from a teaching background. So I worked as a teacher in other fields before actually coming to IT also. So I brought the teaching into IT as well. And I strongly believe that IT jobs are the best jobs in the world because I actually promote a lot here the IT career paths to people from different backgrounds because you spend some 6 months to 1 year learning one tool technology in one designation. You pick front-end development, back-end development, software testing, machine learning, data analytics, anything. You can pick one and learn enough skills in 6 months to 1 year and then speak a decent English and you go wherever in the world, you can get a job for yourself. It's only possible with tech jobs. That's why I love tech jobs and I promote tech jobs a lot. And I have been, as I said, I have been training, mentoring almost for 15 years. I used to train by myself. If I can't train on some technologies by myself, I used to refer others to um, some institutions that are well known back in India. I always wanted to start my own academy back in Hyderabad, but I'm not a big fan of training institutes that sells courses. I'm more interested in vocational training, the training that gives you employable skills, not only to how to get a job, but also to work after getting the job. So once you finish the training, if you get a job, you should be able to work. So I like that kind of training. I always, and there is not all the institutes does that actually. A lot of institutes simply sell the courses. That is also one of the reasons I haven't started the course offerings back in India. I have only started in Sweden. It has been going very well. Now that I decided, then we want to offer the same structure in a little bit different way. So when I started here in 2020, we started first as um, collaboration between one company I was working, and we incorporated in 2021. So far, we have trained more than 100 people. You can consider that 100 count as 1,000 to 2,000 in India, because Sweden is a very small country with 10 million population, and then the job market is also very small. It's extremely difficult to get a job in Sweden. I would say it's no less than cracking a high level government job in India. Very competitive and very less opportunities. So our mentor is trying to join, but he has some issues. We will figure that out in a few minutes. So, so far, 50 people got jobs. One of the biggest companies in Sweden, like Ericsson, H&M, um, Evolution, and you take the big banks like Nordea, Swedbank, SEB, people who have trained are working in those big organizations. And that is when I decided, okay, it's time to start our services in India. And as Janatul mentioned, we also received very good awards, rewards, and we are also working closely with government organizations in Sweden. We also go to universities and other organizations that are empowering international talent in Sweden. This is how we have been doing. And if anyone wants to join any courses, all you need to do is, let me share my screen. All you need to do is to go to Stockholm IT Academy .com, and you will see the courses, and you can pick any course. But what is important is you need to enter your email and phone number and name properly. And our course coordinator, her name is Haindavi. I will also share Haindavi's contact details in the WhatsApp channel. If you don't have access to WhatsApp channel, you can visit our Instagram. The Instagram handle is same as Stockholm IT Academy, as you can see here. And then in the bio, you will find the WhatsApp channel link. You can just simply join in the channel, and then you can contact Haindavi. I will share the Haindavi contact details. But Haindavi will be in touch with you only once you make the payment, so that she can add you into a proper channel where you can start learning the stuff. We are starting from Jan 12th. The morning batch is at 9:30 a.m. IST, and the evening batch is 5:30 p.m. IST. So if you are attending from a different time zone, you can see which time works for you. And we are only starting manual testing and automation testing. So you can also start learning automation testing, but the problem is, if you are absolute beginner, we strongly recommend you to start from manual testing, not the automation testing. And then yeah, once you don't have to wait until Jan 12th to start. You can already subscribe to the course now and reserve your spot. We don't take too many people, we only take very few people, and after that we close the admissions. That's how we have been doing for the last 6 years, because we prefer quality over quantity. And if there are more people in one batch, we will start another batch and we will allocate. And sometimes if there are only few people in the other batch, then even if you're interested, we might have to ask you to wait till the next batch. So reserve your seat as soon as possible, so that you are added into the batch before Jan 12th. And we will also share you some material so that you can go through some prerequisites and preparatory sessions before Jan 12th if you join early. We'll also conduct some weekly sync meetings so that we can answer some of your questions. So joining early will always have advantage. You have to keep that in mind. And for now, this session is only focused on testing, manual testing and automation testing, but we also conduct spoken English classes. It's very important, because if you want to attend interviews, clear interviews, and also in the workplace, if you want to speak confidently, English is very important. If you are not very confident, though you know that you are skilled, you are talented, you are technically strong, you can work, you can learn, but when it comes to communication, most of the people have the problem. But you can join this program as well. This also starts at January 12th. We will share the schedule after a few minutes, or after a few days, sorry. So this is one thing I strongly recommend, but it's optional if you are already well versed with your communication skills. And these are other programs, Python and JavaScript. These are pure programming fundamentals. if you are completely from non-IT background, but if you want to explore IT career into development and other areas, we recommend taking this course. The cost is very less actually, but you will get a very strong fundamentals in basic programming. So after this, you can pick a career. For example, if you learn Python, you can pick a career path, data analytics or backend developer with Django and Flask or AI, ML or some other stuff. You can also become machine learning engineer with some other machine learning related libraries with Python. Same with JavaScript and TypeScript. If you want to become a full stack web developer or front end developer, you can first learn JavaScript and TypeScript and see if it is for you or not. And once you become confident, you can decide whether to become a front-end developer. You can learn React and Next.js, or you can also become a full stack developer by learning MongoDB, Node.js, Express.js, Vue.js, some other stuff. And nowadays, a lot of AI, ML libraries and data science libraries are also available in JavaScript and TypeScript. And some automation programming related frameworks also are available in JavaScript and TypeScript. For example, Playwright has been very, very popular. So you can also consider automation as a career path. After learning these two programming languages, you can decide multiple career paths and pick one, and then we will update this same page with other courses as well. There are other programming languages like Java, Ruby on Rails, and then Go language, and some other languages. But if you Google or use ChatGPT, these two are the most popular languages in the world and most in-demand programming languages in the world. Forget about getting a job. Even if you don't want to get a job, you can also do vibe coding. A lot of AI tools are now coming, evolving, which you can actually use and then change a code a little bit and then build your own apps. Not having any knowledge about programming language is not good if you're doing vibe coding, because you don't know the issue is with the app that you're using or the programming language or the syntax error, or so you can't figure out where the mistake is. Or if you want to modify the code a little bit, you are highly relying on the AI tools, not relying on your own technical skills. So it's good to learn. Not only that, learning programming language is very good for improving your analytical skills, problem solving skills, and some other stuff. So it's always good to learn. Yes. So for now, these are the programs that we're offering. As I said, you can just visit the website, just buy one course, and make sure you enter your email, name, and phone number. I recommend you to enter your WhatsApp number, but if you don't have WhatsApp, that is fine, no problem. You can enter your phone number. Then our course coordinator, Haindavi, will be in touch with you and will add you into the groups already. So that's all.